The CDC now says fully vaccinated people can stop wearing masks, with a few exceptions. Those fully vaccinated can also stop following social distance guidelines.
Nearly 3 weeks from now, on June 2nd, Ohio will lift most of its health orders. So what orders and guidance do Ohioans need to follow for the next few weeks? NBC4's Karina Chung is live in Columbus to sort it all out for us. Karina?
Well, Carrie, I did reach out to the Ohio Department of Health about these CDC guidelines, and it says it's currently reviewing these at this time. But as of right now, we are supposed to follow the coronavirus health state guidelines at this time. I spoke to people around town, and here's what they had to say about that.
The CDC says if you're fully vaccinated, you can lose the mask and not worry about social distancing. This new guidance is surprising for some.
I'm fully vaccinated, and even now I just don't feel 100% comfortable walking into somewhere without a mask.
And others.
It all comes down to, I guess, kind of what people are comfortable with.
The CDC added there are exceptions to this, specifically when it comes to state and local laws.
So the CDC set the stage for really what can be done at each state level.
Here in Ohio, we're still tied to local health orders. Dr. Joseph Costado with Ohio Health says he approves of the governor's plan to lift orders in 3 weeks, but says the mask change for those who are fully vaccinated could come sooner with the CDC's latest guidance.
It could be very likely that at the ODH level, they will revise those very soon in the near future. We don't know. That has always happened before. At the state level, they do take into advisement what the CDC says.
Costado says people who are immunocompromised, like transplant patients, should keep the masks handy.
People who are vaccinated with weakened immune systems, the vaccines may not be as effective or they may not work.
And if the state does follow the CDC's latest guidance, letting the mask go might be harder for some.
As a community and as a city, push forward and start opening things up, and yeah, so it's all coming together.
I was like, oh, I'm fully vaccinated. Like, I don't have to wear this, but for the safety of others, I just feel like I'll do it until it's fully time to stop.
And we did reach out to some local businesses about this new guidance. Both Giant Eagle and Kroger say they plan to continue requiring masks in their stores for now. Local for you in Columbus, I'm Karina Chung, NBC4.
Karina, thanks. Columbus Mayor Andrew Ginther says the mask ordinance passed by City Council in July is still in effect, and it will be up to City Council to end it. Right now, the mayor is urging everyone, including younger Ohioans, to get vaccinated.
We're continuing to work with public, private, higher ed partners to try to figure out ways to incentivize younger people to take up the vaccine the same way our senior neighbors have.
Mayor Ginther says we must continue to follow the safety measures in place, like wearing a mask, washing our hands, and practicing social distancing.